Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring the practical prerequisites are met. Connect to Wi-Fi or confirm your mobile data, and that battery is above 20%. Once done, back up the app data using the system backup or cloud sync, because updates can alter data. Now open Settings and go straight to Apps or Application Manager. Find and tap the specific app you want to update. This places you at the first actionable screen where update controls and permissions are visible, ready for the next steps. Next, inspect the app details. Note the installed version, required permissions, and available storage space, because insufficient space blocks updates. Then tap Update or Manage within the app page to trigger the update. If there's no update button, check the Play Store or App Store link from the same screen. If the update stalls, clear the cache for that app and retry, and make sure to grant any additional permissions requested during the process, so the app can function correctly after updating. Finally, launch the updated app and verify the new version in Settings. Test core features to confirm everything works. If you encounter crashes or missing data, uninstall and reinstall the app, then restore your backup. This often resolves corrupted updates. Make sure to reboot the device if problems continue, and as one quick troubleshooting tip, toggle airplane mode for 30 seconds to reset network connections. This can unblock stalled downloads or authentication steps. Once stable, lock in any new permissions and
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.